Okay. Good afternoon, students. So, screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, actually, today we'll see about some searching algorithms. Some searching algorithms we will see now. So, in that, our first one is a breadth first search, right? So, we have a breadth first search as well as a depth first search. There are two algorithms which are helpful us. So, to having the searching of a given data. So, in a artificial intelligence. So in this, so first we will see about the breadth first search algorithm. So these also is a principle of so first in first out queue. First in first out methodology it will be follows. So for that how this search mission will work we'll see now. So let you consider the nodes of A, comma B, comma C, D, E, F, G, C, and H. So these are the paths. How the search engine will give the how this algorithm will work for searching mechanism. So initially, let us consider the point node A. See here. So let you consider the node A here. So node A. So neighbors of node A will be node B as well as the node I. See, let me consider the node 1. Node is initially. So initial node is A. So neighbor nodes for the A is B is 1, I is 1, right? So B is 1 as well as the I is 1. So now how the searching mechanism will flow? So front line is A. See here, the next vertex. See, the starting with A. So visit the neighbors of A. So right, visit the neighbors of A in this search. In this case, the neighbors of A will be B as well as the I. So first my search engine search flow mechanism will find the whatever the neighbors are available for node A. So for node A, visit the neighbors A means so we'll have a neighbor of B as well as the neighbor of I. Next we'll follow the path from A to B. See here how the search engine will search for breadth search mechanism. So from A to it goes to the B, and obviously next from the A is shifting to B is second case. So from A node A it recognizes another node B, and see next case next neighbor one is I. Next neighbor one is I. See here initially first we are recognizing the path node A. For the node we are going to finding the neighbor nodes. One is B, second one is I. So very neighbor immediate followed by neighbor node is considered as a B. B in a front line, and second neighbor node is I. Now A moves to the B. So now we will recognize. So first node A is moved to the B is case 1 as well as the second neighbor to I. And next see, so now search engine will placing at a point B as well as the point I through node A, because of these two are the neighbor nodes of the A node A. So now we'll start from the B. So whenever we have a vertex for A, we'll find the B as well as the I are the vertices. So see here, B and I are the frontline vertices of breadth first search algorithm. So now let me consider B is the node. So next neighbor node is B. From B to what are the neighbor nodes are there? Only F. Only F is the neighbor node for B. So right, and next we cannot consider the I is as it is, and F comes, B moves to the F, and next see, and B to A is also neighbor node, and now finally so we come to from A to B, and A second leaf you'll see here. So now consider the neighbor of I. How the paths are considering, you just please visit once, then you might have clearance. So for neighbor I is see for neighbor I now left hand tree will consider the A is I is the neighbor for A as well as the E. See the paths here E and I moves to the node E and A moves to the B moves to the F. So now the front end will have only F is first, which is the branch loop from the B node, and E is second from the branch loop of I. Next see I which contain the one more path is I to F. From I to F. So unfortunately F is already we have derived and we have placed here. So right. So now let you consider F is a node now. So now find the what are all the neighbor nodes for F means B is the neighbor node and E is the neighbor node as well as A is the neighbor node and G is the neighbor nodes. For F we can able to recognize there will be four neighbor nodes. One is B, second one is G, E and A. So right. So now we can place the F is here, G is the first one, right? So in the vertex we can see the E and G. So from next we considered G, if you consider E is the node, so for E, how many neighbors are there means I is one neighbor, second one is F is one neighbor. So right for E. So these two are already placed. And next node is G. So for G here, we have a neighbors of H, B is 1, C is 1, right? H is 1. If you consider G is the node, for a G node, we can find the neighbor nodes of C, H and B. These might be the neighbor nodes for G. Now you can consider for H means H consisting of C is 1, C H and D. For C we will find the three neighbor nodes. So finally C goes to the D node. C finished front end is H and D. For C, front end nodes are H and D are the front end nodes. C is finished now. Get next vertex. Next vertex is H. And next vertex is here H. For H, what are all the neighbors means? F is one neighbor, C is another neighbor. So right. So for H is finished, we have only two paths for getting a neighbor node from the H. So that sequence next vertex is finally D. From D, can we recognize any front end nodes? So there is no front end nodes. So because of front end nodes in right hand side we did not discover any nodes. So that is why. So in this way we can breadth search algorithm will work. See once again. చెప్పండి అమ్మా.